Hey guys, what's up? I just got this tablet from Amazon and thought I'd open it up with you and that we could take a look together. Um, I really needed something that runs Chrome, and this seems to be well rated, so I'm pretty excited about it. I've actually never owned a tablet before. I've always done a lot of stuff on my phones and computers, and I just kind of finally was like, I need something that's that in between. Okay, so just real quick before I keep talking about that, the tablet comes in this case, which is really sweet. I think I did see that, but I hadn't been really focused on that, so I didn't realize that's really nice. It looks like the camera on the back. We'll open it up in a second. So then you've got just the manual and charging cord, which I'm guessing is USB to USB-C. That is what that looks like. Yes. Okay, USB to USB-C. All right, let's maybe set this aside and we'll take a closer look at the tablet. Okay. So, and I guess this is the kind that like can fold different ways so that you can stand it. That's really cool. I actually don't know if that's the right way to do it. Maybe it's like that. And then there's probably, yeah. It's got this like, the case has this sort of rubbery feeling to it, which I like a lot. And I bet it helps it like stick to smooth surfaces, both on the outside and on the inside. There's a little bit of texture there. If you can kind of see that, it's pretty cool. Okay, so then we have this kind of screen protector on the front, and it looks like we can peel this off. It says on here, front camera, this is the volume control right here. This is the power on and off. So that's going to be really similar to like my phone that I hold like this. We've got power, volume, and then this is left speaker. This says USB-C port, and then micro SD card slot. Oh, that's cool that it's got a micro SD card slot. I'll actually use that a lot. Let's go ahead and peel. Ooh. Nice. Alrighty. Now, let's see if it powers on. I haven't obviously charged it or anything because I just opened it for the first time. Alright. EcoPad. Powered by Android. I am definitely an Android user, so I'm sort of an Android nerd like that. I've used Android for probably, gosh, man, I'm probably going on 10 years now. Okay, all right, and then we have the start menu. This looks really clear. It did come with a 98% battery charge. Let's just click start and see what happens here. Okay. Helps me set up my Wi-Fi, and it actually stopped the recording on the phone for a second because it was like connecting to my device, I guess, to set up the Wi-Fi. So that was pretty nice. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the setup because I'm sure that's going to require some passwords and things like that. And then after that, I'll make a video of how I can see using it and all of that and how it's working. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It looks really awesome. It feels like it's high quality. I actually really like this case that it comes with a lot. I did not really realize that that was going to be part of it. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.